Good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So this is the lecture for class 2nd, subject English speaking. And today's our topic is conversation. And this is our lecture 1. So dear students, I will tell in this particular lecture about conversation. I will tell you about what is conversation. Then I will tell you the characteristics of conversation, and then I will take a conversation between a mother and a son. In this manner only you have to conversate and make a audio clip for the same. I hope you understood. Now let me tell you the meaning of conversation. So, conversation is sharing of thoughts and ideas. It is interactive communication between two or more than two people. So dear students, I just want to tell conversation का मतलब होता है बातचीत, जो आप एक दूसरे से अपनी बातचीत, अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान करते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? कन्वर्सेशन. We call it conversation. Conversation can be between two or more than two people. So it can be between two or more than two people. Now let me tell you the characteristics of conversation. So here is the characteristics of conversation. Speak clearly so that others can understand. So dear students, while speaking, one should speak clearly and loudly so that one person can understand the thoughts or ideas of the other. Speak complete sentence. You should speak complete sentence. Express your thoughts precisely. Precisely means accurately. When you speak or express your thought accurately, then only one person can get you what do you want to say. So I am telling you again, conversation is the mirror of thoughts. The ideas, the thoughts you express to your friend, it can be your mother, it can be your teacher. Those ideas and those thoughts are come under the term conversation. When you express, when you exchange your thoughts and ideas, it is simply conversation. Now let me show you how conversation will take place. Now here is a conversation between a mother and a son. And the topic for the conversation is getting ready for school. Mom, please wake up Kabir. Kabir, just 5 minutes more. Mom, no, not at all. Kabir, oh, why the sleep is so good in the morning? It's a journal conversation between a mom and a son. You also conversate with your mother in the morning like this. Kabir is also conversating with her mother. Mom, good child, now complete your routine. Kabir, yes, there I am. That means now Kabir is now ready to complete his daily routine. Mom, are you ready? Kabir, yes, mummy. So this is a little conversation which I have just do for you. Like this, you have to conversate in the class, and as well as you have to conversate and you have to make an audio and send to me. Okay? Now let me come to the conclusion of it. Now the conclusion for it is, in the end, I would like to say that it enhances your vocabulary, it enhances your fluency, and even it enhances your speaking skills also. So dear students, you have to take care while doing conversation. You have to speak properly. You have to take care of your vocabulary, your pronunciation, so that in future you will be a good speaker. I hope you understood, and I will assign your homework. I will assign the homework and I will send on the EdQuark as well as on the WhatsApp group. You have to do it accordingly and send it to me. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a good day.